Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the city creation, and in this basically 22 blood groups and 20 percentage error basically we are discussing, that is in education error basically, that actually we are discussing. Now basically what happened? What they have done? Like this basically they started giving the punishment to the particular person. Sorry, the high court basically, but they have already given the punishment. They have broken the head, they have broken the eye, they have broken the nose, they have broken the leg, they have broken the stomach, they have broken the leg, they have broken the backside, they have broken the private part, they have broken the ear. Like this basically they have done. Really basically they are not done. And Vadodara basically is part of Gujaratis and Maharashtrian people basically. They are basically playing the main role basically here basically. Whatever things happens basically, without their permission basically nothing happens basically. So one of the person told that basically in Supreme Court basically one of the Maharashtrian Gujarati judge is also basically there. So they have actually passed this case to Vadodara. Why? Because they have passed the case to the Gujaratis and Maharashtrian people basically. And one of the person told that basically as if that basically Sunil R. Nair is Malayali, so pass this case to Malayali judge only basically. So they basically like that they passed. Just see basically what are the things going to happen basically. Like this they passed the case basically. Like this basically what happened? They passed the case and then basically they already given the punishment basically. They have already given the punishment. Now Supreme Court told that basically अरे यार इसको तो इतना सारा punishment, this all punishment, and they are recording it and then basically they are sending to the courts basically, that are the international court. So this is also basically business, sales basically. This also comes into the business of the video, business of the mobile, business of the software basically, which uploads the videos, each and everything basically. Just see basically everything now. Now basically they have started uploading the things and basically they told that basically see basically we have given in the punishment and see that particular person basically is admitted in the hospital also, and this is the reason basically that basically blood cells report basically says. Then basically they told that yes here basically, but the Supreme Court, then the High Court basically told that basically ये तो कम punishment दिया है यार basically, because the group basically they basically say that basically हमको तो थोड़ी बहुत दया आई यार basically, that's why basically we have not given him the punishment basically. थोड़ी बहुत दया आई हमको, because on last day of this world basically this everything is going to calculate. So like this basically they started giving the punishment basically. Now basically the High Court basically taken the case basically of Vadodara city. Just taking as an example, really basically my head is not damaged, my ear is not damaged, my stomach is not damaged, my leg is also not damaged, my hand is also not damaged, my eye is also not damaged. They have not damaged. Gujarati and Maharashtrian people basically has not damaged my each and every body parts. So like this basically they basically done, right? Like this basically they have done this basically. Like this basically in this basically the news channel also basically were connected with that particular person basically, because they are into the news channel basically. So they have to keep each and every news basically. Whatever case basically is registered in the international, they have to keep each and every news basically. So they also basically connected with that particular person basically. And they were also basically telling that see basically this is damage, that is damage, and this basically has done that's this is the reason basically due to that basically this was damaged, head was damaged, like this basically this was damaged, private part was damaged, leg was damaged, this was damaged, that was damaged, each and every body parts was damaged basically. Reason basically they told that is this was the reason, that was the reason, this was the reason, this was the reason, like this basically they told it basically. Now basically everything is done basically. Few people told that basically you are not supposed to do this all thing basically, yeah? Because do you know basically this all basically generates the energy in the environment basically, and that basically generates the planets also basically, that you don't know basically. Then he told that no yeah basically we have damaged basically everything, but we don't know anything basically. Then why you damaged here basically? Then basically that person told that why you damaged basically. Then he told that basically just see these people basically have done this basically, like now basically High Court basically got the case basically. Now they told that basically yeah, if he will damage, we will damage the thing and we will give the punishment, then basically in future he will take I think badala. Now basically what the high court people will take the decision, they just see basically. We will do one thing, एक काम करते हैं इसको, we will kill that particular person basically. But how we will kill that particular person basically? So that basically, otherwise basically the high court, otherwise people will think that basically high court and supreme court are criminal or what basically. Are they mafia group? Like this basically they are killing the people basically, they give the order to kill the people basically. So like this basically they told that basically they are from mafia group basically. Few people say, might say this also basically, but that's basically I am not telling basically, the people basically will tell. Like this basically they told that basically we will do one thing, we will kill that particular person, that is Sunil Nair. So like this basically they told that basically we will we have to sorry, we will kill basically, but there should not be any proof basically. Then he told that okay basically, so how basically you are going to kill basically? Then he told that basically we will do one thing, we will give him some disease basically, and in this basically, and we will take one god group also basically, god family group basically. Then he told that which god family, because each and every hospitals basically are connected with the set of god basically. Then he told that yes basically, like they say they basically taken the god also basically, and god basically groups basically are giving the punishment basically. Like this basically the high court also basically told that basically we also escaped, and the god basically is giving the punishment basically. Like this basically the god started giving the punishment, and in this basically they taken the god also basically, god group basically. Like this basically god basically are staying in universe, so entire dot also came into picture. Like this basically they started giving the punishment also basically. Like this each and every body parts damage, and at last basically the high court told that basically do one thing, kill that particular person basically. Kill Sunil R Nair basically. Like this they told that basically okay, we will do one thing, we will kill Sunil R Nair, but for that basically we have to, how basically you are going to kill? Then he told that you have your group na basically. High court basically told this, like this basically, you don't have your group basically. High court basically was telling this to the people basically who are actually taking the order of the high courts. They told that you have the utility na basically, use Bollywood group. Then he told okay basically Bollywood group we will use. Then do one thing, use a restaurants group basically. Restaurant groups are also in your group na. If they will not do your work, then basically tell them basically we will register your, sorry, we will cancel your registration. This all basically give the dhamki basically. Like this okay, we will do, we will. Like this basically they started doing the, wherever basically he was eating the food, there basically they are giving him poison. Like this basically the slow poison started basically, so that basically there should not be any proof that basically that high court basically have given the punishment basically. So like this basically they killed that particular person basically. But the one of the person told that basically काम करते हैं basically, if he will die in India and basically if he might be connected with some universe group, then basically the universe group will finish the Vadodara city also, and that is coming in the India basically. So we will do one thing basically, we will take send him to Dubai or basically Sharjah, Ajman basically. There basically we have sent lots of people, and like this basically we have done lots of damages also there basically. Like this basically they sent basically Sunil R Nair to Dubai basically legally. That also basically in this the visa was issued like this basically, that kill Sunil R Nair. Like this basically they sent Sunil R Nair to Dubai. Just taking as an example, but really basically it has not happened. Really basically this has not happened basically. Like this basically they sent Sunil R Nair to Dubai, and Dubai basically people know that basically what you have to do. So that time basically they killed Sunil R Nair. Like this basically they told that basically still basically Sunil R Nair exists basically in Dubai, and they basically created one dummy basically sound basically of Sunil R Nair, and whenever their family basically was calling him, then basically that phone basically, that was one software basically which was pick upping the phone, and then basically that was talking. That was basically the AI basically, artificial intelligence. That people basically who created the AI, they basically might be knowing why they created the AI basically, what was the reason behind this. Like this basically they used the AI, and like this basically they were talking with the family basically. Like this basically in really basically Sunil R Nair was died basically, and like this basically they closed the case also basically. And no, not a single public basically was knowing this.